Hello, and welcome to Fluent English Class, where learning English is simple, relaxing, and enjoyable. I'm Jenny.
Hello, Jenny, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. I'm Chris. How are you feeling today, Jenny?
I'm doing very well, Chris. It's a lovely day, and I'm happy to be here recording another lesson. But I have to say, I'm a bit hungry.
Hungry? Well, that's perfect, because today's lesson is all about food.
Exactly! Food is something we all enjoy, and it's also something we often talk about in daily life. Today, we're going to practice something very practical and useful: how to order food at a restaurant.
Fantastic topic. Everyone eats out sometimes, whether it's with friends, family, or even alone. And a restaurant is a wonderful place to practice speaking English in real life.
Yes, it really is. Many English learners feel nervous the first time they order food in English, but don't worry. By the end of today's lesson, you will know many simple and useful phrases.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
Your support really helps us grow, and it allows us to create more lessons for you.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need clear, polite, and simple sentences.
Exactly. All right, let's begin. All right, let's imagine something together. Imagine that you and a friend walk into a new restaurant. Maybe it's a small, cozy place. Maybe it's a busy city restaurant.
Yes, you walk in, you look around, you smell the delicious food, and the first thing you need to do is get a table.
Right. When we enter a restaurant, we usually speak to the host or the waiter.
The host is the person who welcomes you and shows you where to sit.
And we can say something very simple like, "Hello, a table for two, please."
Exactly. 2 people means a table for 2. If there are 3 people, you can say, "A table for 3, please."
And if there are 4 people, we simply say, "A table for 4, please."
Very simple and very useful.
Very easy. The host might smile and reply, "This way, please."
And then they guide you to your seats.
You follow them, sit down, and get comfortable.
Once we sit down, the next thing we need is the menu.
Yes, the menu shows all the food and drinks available in the restaurant.
Sometimes the waiter brings the menu immediately.
But if not, we can politely ask for it.
A good phrase is, "Excuse me, could we see the menu, please?"
That's a very polite sentence.
Yes, and the phrase, "excuse me," is very important.
It really is. "Excuse me" helps us get someone's attention politely.
It shows respect and good manners.
And politeness is always appreciated in restaurants.
The waiter will usually smile and bring the menu right away.
Now we open the menu.
And suddenly, we see so many choices.
Soups, salads, pasta, fish, desserts.
It can feel a little overwhelming.
Yes, especially in a new restaurant. But don't worry. Let's start with something simple. Let's begin with drinks. What would you like, Chris?
Let me think for a moment. I'll keep it simple. I'd like some water, please.
Nice and refreshing.
Yes, water is always a good choice.
When the waiter asks, "Can I get you something to drink?" you can respond, "Yes, I'd like water, please."
Or you can say, "I'll have a soda."
You could also say, "Can I have a soda?"
Clear, natural, and simple.
So 1 water and 1 soda.
The waiter might say, "I'll be back shortly."
That means they will return soon to take the food order.
While waiting, we can look at the food options more carefully.
Yes, and we usually see different sections on the menu.
For example, starters, main dishes, and desserts.
Starters are sometimes called appetizers.
They are smaller dishes that come before the main meal.
Common starters include soup, salad, or bread.
I think I'd choose tomato soup. It sounds warm, comforting, and delicious.
That's a great choice. I'll go with a green salad.
Light, fresh, and healthy.
Exactly.
When the waiter returns and asks if we're ready, we can say, "Yes, for my starter, I'd like the tomato soup."
And I can say, I'll have the green salad, please.
Simple, clear, and polite.
But sometimes we look at the menu and feel confused.
Yes, maybe we see a dish we don't understand.
That's completely normal.
In that situation, we can ask questions.
For example, could you explain this dish?
Or, what does this include?
For example, if the menu says chef's special,
And we're not sure what it is.
we can politely ask the waiter about it.
Restaurants are used to these questions.
Yes, the staff are there to help.
So, don't be shy. Now it's time for the main course.
This is usually the biggest and most filling part of the meal.
I see pasta, steak, fish, and chicken on the menu.
There are so many delicious options.
Yes, it's hard to choose sometimes.
I'll choose spaghetti with tomato sauce.
A classic dish.
It's simple but delicious.
I think I'll try the grilled fish with vegetables.
That sounds very healthy.
When ordering, we can say, "For my main course, I'll have the spaghetti."
And I would say, I'd like the grilled fish, please.
Perfect restaurant English.
Oh no!
What happened?
The waiter brought you chicken instead of fish.
Oh dear, mistakes happen sometimes.
Yes, they do. So what should you say?
First, get the waiter's attention.
And say, excuse me.
Then, politely explain, "I'm sorry, but I ordered the fish, not the chicken."
That's perfect.
Calm, polite, and respectful.
The waiter will likely apologize and fix the mistake quickly.
Exactly.
Now everything is correct.
Yes, the right dishes are on the table.
Let's enjoy our meal.
Yes, enjoy your meal.
That's a very common phrase in restaurants.
The food tastes wonderful.
This was a great choice.
The atmosphere is nice, the food is delicious, and we're having a great time.
That's what eating out is all about.
After finishing the main course,
Maybe we still have room for dessert.
even if we're a little full, dessert always sounds tempting.
The waiter asks if we'd like dessert.
Of course, we say yes.
I'll take chocolate cake.
Great choice.
And I'll have vanilla ice cream.
To order, we say, I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
And I'd like the vanilla ice cream.
Sweet and delicious. Maybe we'd also like coffee or tea.
Yes, many people enjoy a hot drink after dessert.
I'll choose tea.
An English breakfast tea.
And I'll have coffee with milk, no sugar.
See? You can always add small details when ordering.
These little details help the waiter understand exactly what you want. Now the meal is over.
It's time to pay.
In some places, we say the bill.
In other places, people say the check.
Both mean the same thing.
To ask for it, we say, "Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?"
Very polite.
We can pay by cash or by card.
If using a card, you can ask, "Can I pay by card?"
After paying, we smile and say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
And maybe we'll come back again someday.
Let's quickly review.
First, ask for a table.
Then, ask for the menu.
Order your drinks.
Order your starter and main course.
If there's a mistake,
Politely explain.
Order dessert if you'd like.
And finally, ask for the bill.
Remember, it's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay to ask questions.
The important thing is to practice and try.
Every conversation helps you improve.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident at a restaurant.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what's your favorite dish to order when you eat out?
We love reading your messages.
Subscribe for more easy and enjoyable English lessons.
Share this episode and give it a like if you found it helpful.
Until next time,
Keep practicing.
and keep learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.